Yeah, we are good to go, I guess, actually. Let me create running notes for today. I have a little cold, but let me try my best actually. Um, mhm. Handling missing value. Okay, so still running with the same topic, I guess. 47 and done this role. The date is 19. This topic we have started on Saturday, right? For your kind information, Saturday I have taken session overall absent actually. This one is a previous topic. This one is current topic. Upcoming topic. Data selection, LOC, LOC. Lock and iLock also you can say. Lock and iLock. Damn sure interview question. All right. Okay. Online team kind information. The session will be both mode, online and offline. Physically, I met Naresh IT, delivering virtually from Naresh IT. Okay. Ensure that if anyone back to offline, I welcome you. So first of all, whoever all came for offline, back to the session, sir. Let's continue. Currently, we are running with the topic. The topic name is a handling missing value. What is the topic? Handling missing value. Yeah, good. Let's move on. I will tell you. So these are all things I have explained, but I would like to give a small recap actually. What is that one, So first point will be from the client will get a data. From the client will get what exactly? Then the data we need to transform into a data frame. We need to transform into what exactly? Think like some sales file, some CSV file, .csv file. That is nothing but a data. That is nothing but what exactly? Data. Though client is giving the data over flat file, CSV, Excel, JSON, then by using that file, we need to create a data frame. We need to create what exactly? After a data frame created, third level, try to apply some basic operation. Apply some what exactly? Basic operations. Kind of some order shape, number of rows and columns, and I wanted to print all name of the columns, printing top 5 rows actually. Ante kada? Am I right or not, sir? Columns attribute. Next one, head method. The next one, tail method. These are all things we can apply. Lot of operations we already know actually. Info method we can call these are all. Now once after you done all basic operation, here is the major operation, the fourth one actually. What is the fourth one? Check missing values. What exactly? Checking missing values in data frame. Sometimes the data what client has given, some data may miss out actually. Some data, there may be a chance it can miss out actually. Then what we need to do, either data is missing or not. First we need to check actually. Best example, today we would have a session. The door is closed actually. Admin, he wanted to know either students came or not. Then what he need to do? He need to apply checking technique. What technique? Check. He need to open the door and he need to validate how many students came. These are all things actually. Good. During checking, during what exactly, sir? Checking. During checking, if missing values, data frame, if data frame having no missing values. What exactly, sir? No missing value. then no need to do anything. No need to do anything. Move on to the next step actually. Next one. During checking, if data frame having, chaptara sir, data frame having missing values, then we need to handle. We need to what exactly sir? Handle. That's the today topic actually. I'm sure, hope you got a clear picture. Can I get a response from you? Daniel, how to check? On Saturday I covered actually. There is a one method. Method name is a is null method. What method? Is null method, right? So we can check. Checking will be done. First we will get a df. Then next one df dot is null method. Is NA method. I'm sorry. What method? Is NA method. Ante kada sir. Good. Then whenever you are calling this one, it returns boolean value. It returns what value? Boolean value. Boolean value. I need one question. Who are all missed out on Saturday? Raise your hand. Okay. Okay. No worries. I will give a small recap with the practical discussion. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Then you need to call a method. Method name is a sum method. What method, sir? Sum method actually. Good. Now it's the right time. Let me execute one by one. You will get an idea. Overall missed out on Saturday. Please focus in the next 5 minutes actually. So then only you can understand today's session. For you guys, I'm taking some special introduction actually. There is a data set. The data set name is called as a fruits1.csv file. What is the data set name? Fruits1. Copy this. Paste here. File name is a fruits1. Open this one. Daniel, what is the fruits1 actually? Think like, during Corona, I have opened one small fruit stall. I didn't open. Just think like that. I opened one small fruit stall. Then customer number one. In my fruit stall, only three fruits actually. First one, apple, orange, banana. Apple, orange, what exactly? Banana. First customer, he came and he taken 1 kg. 1 kg, 9 oranges came actually. Some medium size. Don't ask the size, right? Now next one will be orange. He didn't buy. Do I need to force? Are boss, we have to buy actually? No, we should not force. Now here, think like, in business perspective, here missing data. Here also missing data. Here also missing. Here also missing data. If you're trying to loading this file by using pandas, where are all the data is missing, it is representing with NAN. Talk with me. NAN. Okay, let me load actually. You'll get an idea. Come on. Very interesting topic today. Import pandas as PD. This is kada. How to import actually? df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Now let me just try to load fruits1.csv. Ayyo, no delete, sir. I don't want to delete. .csv. Yeah, good. Now let me just try to create a data frame. Let me create what exactly meant data frame. Yeah, yes, we are good to go. Let me run this example. You can easy to understand. Chudani, compare cheyandi. Total 150 rows. Total how many? 150. Come on, please. Good, we are good to go. See, total 150 rows. Look at the first row. First one is the header actually. Anyway, you can ignore this one header. Now row number 1. Here is the customer apple 9 actually. Okay, good. So next one will be sir, value is missing. Then pandas is representing like a NAN. If there is a data, if the data is missing, by default pandas considering that data is a NAN. That data is what exactly? For your kind information. NAN means not like a double quotes empty actually. Double quote empty is not a NAN. Double quote empty is a empty string. What exactly? Empty string. Please don't compare with that actually. Good. One more small point. Here the value is a 9. Let me tell you value is a 9. But here we are getting 9.0. Why? Because in this column we do have some missing value. We do have some what exactly? Now this one is a integer. Missing value data is a float actually. Integer. Floating data type can dominate integer data type. That's what this one 9.0 it is displaying actually. Meeku ardhamayinda leda sir? Can I get a response? This one is the first example I covered on Saturday. Next example. Did you upload a data set actually? Data set upload chesana? Okay. Now it's okay. So seems to be total 150 rows, man. How many rows? I mean to say, think like, 150 customers data. How many customers data? 150, right? Now I wanted to check where are all the data is missing actually. Then there is a one method. That method name is what exactly, sir? Let me just try to make it. This one is a df1, df1. There is a one method. Method name is a df1 dot isNA method. What method? IsNA method. What exactly happened here, boss? The moment whenever you are calling isNA method, df2 dot df2 dot head method, let me call. Here also let me call head method actually. Oh, please understand. This one is beautiful example. See, this one is a original data frame. Now, isNA method, what exactly it is doing, isNA method will start search from here actually. Is it NA? No, then false. Is it null value? No, false. Is it null value? Yes. Then what is the result? True. Are you with me? IsNA method returns Boolean value. IsNA method returns Boolean value. This is the second example I covered on Saturday. Here is the continue. Of course, this is called as a checking the missing value. Chappan sir, checking missing value. But let me tell you, whenever you are checking the missing values, we are getting a Boolean result. We are getting what exactly? If you show this report to the client actually, client will cross question what you are showing to me actually. What you wanted to show. Client will counter question actually. Then, who need man? Here is the true, that is okay. Here is the false, this is okay. But client need a report like, in this column, how many missing values would you have? We need to show the count actually. In this column, how many missing values would you have? This is something like column wise count of missing value. Talk with me. Column wise count of missing value. Then to get that one, what we need to do, over this one, you need to call a method. Method name is a sum. Read everyone. df1 dot isNA dot sum. Chadundaya. df1 dot isNA dot sum. Now let us make it. This one is the result actually. Now this one is what exactly meant? Result. You can delete this, not required. This is beautiful, sir. Very good. This is the report actually. Out of 150, total out of how many? 150 rows. Apples are 16. 16 customers they didn't buy, sir. How many customers? Means 134 customers they bought it actually. Ante kada? Good. Next one. Out of 150, 134 customers they bought. But 16 is missing. Next one. Out of 150, how many they bought actually? 129. And 21 customers, what exactly mean? They didn't buy. They didn't buy. Right. Here again scenario. They didn't buy, right? What might be the reason? What might be the reason? There might be two reasons. Reason number one, they may won't like the, who all didn't buy Apple 16. They won't like apples actually. Reason number one. Otherwise, reason number two, when they are planning to buy, already apples over actually. Already apples are what exactly? Over. Are you with me or not, sir? These are all analysis. These are all what exactly mean? Analysis. మీకు అర్థం అవుతుందా sir? Hope you're getting. Are you clear till now? Yeah, good. Sometimes client will ask, Daniel, instead of this report actually, you are telling like, out of 150, 16, out of 150, 16, out of 150, 21. But in real time perspective, out of always 100, you need to compare. Out of what exactly? Then here percentage helps you actually. What helps you? Percentage, right? Sometimes client will ask, I need a percentage wise actually. Kindly please make a note. And as I told you, to check the missing value, we would have a different method. First method name is isNA. Next one, is null. Next one, not null. But isNA we are using in real time. Is null. I didn't explain. Not null. I didn't explain. Not record actually. Make a note on this. Yeah, exactly. Here till here we covered actually. Sometimes client need percentage wise, percentage, right? Apples 10 point on an average think like 11% is missing out of 100, not 150. Next one, orange 11 out of 100 actually. Banana 14 actual. Banana. There is a song, right? Banana, banana, where are you going? Right? Not required. Just I'm kidding, sir. Okay, okay, we are good to go. Please make a note. Daniel, to get the percentage result, what we need to do, first of all, take this series. The moment whenever you are calling, you are getting the result as a series. You are getting result as what exactly? Multiply every value with the 100, then divide with the total number of values, length of DF1 actually. Then you will get the result as a percentage wise. You will get what exactly mean? Percentage wise actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good, we are good to go. Today is the continuation. Here onwards, continuation session for today. Go, Daniel. First point, we loaded the data. Actually, we got a data frame. So we already checking the missing value. Check missing value, missing values. Sir, if no missing value, life is happy. You don't need to do anything actually. If there are missing value, then we need to handle missing value. We need to what exactly mean? Handle missing values actually. Missing. Till now, are you clear? Make advaita, sir. If there are no missing value, no need to do anything. Directly move on to the next step actually. That step I told on Saturday, that step is a machine learning step actually. What step meant? Machine learning step. Good. Daniel, we do have a missing value. Yes, we do have a missing value. How to check missing value? Ayo, chapan sir. Is NA. What exactly? Is NA. Is NA. By using that is NA, you came across the result is all 0. Conclusion of the story, you can just try to come here. Here, if all these are result, no missing value, missing value, missing value, missing value actual. Are you with me or not, sir? Now, if you are having a missing value, here we need to learn how to handling techniques we need to learn. What techniques actually? Handling techniques. First technique. First technique. First one. Dropping missing value. What exactly mean? Dropping missing values actually. Missing values. I will show you how to drop. Online team, hope you are following. Let us just try to create import pandas as PD. Sir, if file name is missing, what is error? Yeah, we got a data frame. We got what exactly meant? Data frame actually successfully. Now checking missing values, we already checking that one. I wanted to know number of rows and columns, man. How to find out? Shape. Then you can understand 150 by 4. Topple as a result actually. Am I right or not, sir? I wanted to print total name of the columns. How to print actually? Columns attribute. Now I wanted to check either it is having the missing values or not. How to check? Nice. You are in the track actually. Now here is the point. We got to know it is having missing value. If it is having missing value, then Daniel, I wanted to handle actually. If you wanted to handle, there is one method. Method name is a drop NA. Chappan sir, what is the method name? Drop NA. One more time, what is the method name? Drop NA. You know what? Here is important actually. Let me open. Drop NA is a predefined method. Drop NA is a predefined method. Then we need to call by using object name. The moment whenever you are calling drop NA method, let me reveal the secret what exactly happened. Drop NA method, it will just try to come to the first row actually. It will check, is it missing value? No. Is it missing value? No. Is it missing value? Chappan? What it will, it will try to delete the complete row actually. Drop NA method, it will drop the row. If at least it is having one missing value. If at least it is having what exactly? One missing value. Yeah. This row, it will be deleted automatically. Next, do you think this row, it will be deleted? I will tell you the reason. Why it is, Daniel, are we missing the data? I will talk with later actually. But as of now, follow the session. Drop NA method, if any row, if it is having at least one missing value, it will delete, sir. No mercy actually. No mercy. It will delete automatically. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now what about this record? Talk with me. It never delete. Why? Because why? No missing value. I mean, it is checking like a row wise actually. What wise, man? Row wise. Chapan sir, this one is what exactly? Missing. Right, good. Now let us run the example. You will get an idea actually. Chudandi ikkada. Wow. Ayyo. Somewhere I have written wrong. Oh, sorry. Sorry, man. Please. By this time, are you able to fixing the error yourself actually? మీకు మీరుగా ఓన్ ఎర్రర్స్ ని ఫిక్స్ చేయగలుగుతున్నారా? You should fix by this time. Why? Because we started 1947, the batch actually. You should know how to fix the error. These are all errors you should know. Till now, if you don't know how to fix a syntax error, value error, type error actually, I'm sorry, you didn't learn anything till now. మీరు ఇప్పుడు వరకు ఏమి నేర్చుకున్నట్టే యాక్చువల్గా. Don't be like that. You have to fix the errors yourself actually, right? Whenever you are getting error, try to enjoy the error, how to fix actually. Come on. Team, this one is a versional data frame. Talk with me total how many? 150. One more time. Now I have applied drop in a method. Now it is returning. Total how many it is returning? Talk with me, sir. 105. One small analysis actually. What is this analysis? Out of 150 customers, 105 customers, they bought everything actually. They bought all types of fruits. They bought what exactly? Am I right? That is one report actually. Conclusion of the story, so this is no missing data, no missing data, no missing. I have one small question. Sir, what happened 2, 3 index actually? Second index and third index, what happened? Dropped. Why? Missing value. Did you understand or not, sir? Good. Let's take this example. Drop in is a predefined method in a data frame. We can access this method by using data frame object. This method drops. You can also call as a delete, a remove. The rows where at least one value is missing. Okka value miss aina sare. What exactly it will do, sir? It will drop actually. Chudandi. You will get an idea. Can I ask a question? Can somebody tell what is this? Function. What is this one? Sir, let me tell you. 1 minute. Festivals will come and festivals will go. Subject stands for a verb. What stands actually? When I'm asking what is read underscore CSV, you are looking at my face like this actually. Please. నా మొహం కదలా చూస్తున్నారు మీరు. నాకు భయం అవుతుంది యాక్చువల్గా. This one is predefined function. Tell me everyone. This one is what exactly? Predefined method. Come out that mood actually. We done holidays are over. You asked Ariman how many days holidays are over. Back to the topic actually. Okay, good. Now, conclusion of the story, df1 having missing value, df2 no missing value. What is the proof actually? Check. How to check actually? By using is NA. Are you with me? Right. Once you are telling like, df2 is the data frame. It is having no missing value, Daniel actually. Then try to prove. It is don't have a missing value. Try to prove actually. Right. How to prove that one, ఇక్కడ మీరు కాల్ చేయాలి. చెప్పండి. ఈజ్ ఎన్ఏ చెప్పండి. డాట్ సమ్. Very good. First data frame having missing value. Then next data frame, talk with me. No missing value. Very good. We handle actually. There is a one technique. The technique name is a drop NA method. What method? Drop NA method. We do have other techniques as well. Please understand. Before dropping, after dropping, cross verify. This sentence is important. This method drops or deletes or removes the row, whereas at least one value is what exactly mean? Missing. Now you can just try to come here. Now this, can I close what all we are not using? Let me close this. Here we go. Yeah, all right. Now here is the one small important point. The point will be, Tim, can somebody talk with me 105 rows? How many rows actually? 105 rows. Now imagine I'm a shopkeeper. I'm a boy. I'm a shop boy. But my owner is asking, "Hey Daniel, submit the report. Who are all total fruits they bought actually? I want a report like apple, orange, banana. Who are all everyone bought all types of fruit actually. Then this report I need to submit. Which report actually? This report. Am I right? This report I need to submit. But let me tell you, before you are submitting this report actually, మీరు ఈ రిపోర్ట్ ని సబ్మిట్ చేసే ముందు do small analysis. What is that analysis? Can I send directly this report to the client? Actually, I'm sorry, no. There is a one small mistake here. There is a one small mistake here actually. What is that small mistake? Result is valid, but the point will be order ID integer apples. Indirectly, you are telling 12.0. So this is something like somebody bought apple. Generally, apple means what is a data type man? Integer. Indirectly, you are telling somebody came and he bought half apple. What apple man? Indirectly, the result is talking like that actually. I mean, is there any shop they can give half apple actually? No, no, no. No, what we need to do? We need to convert all these values into integers. Right, good. What we need to do, how to do that, Daniel? It's a very simple. Now, df3 equals to df2 dot. There is a method name is a as type method. What method, sir? As type. Here you can provide integer. Then you can just say to, now you will get a perfect. Wow. I'm sure you got a clarity, I guess. Can I get a response from you? All right. Man, can I tell one small logic? Data science is very easy if you know how to call a method and which method at what time. Am I right? See, here we are calling a method name is a drop in here. Here we are calling a method name is a as step actually. You should please focus on the method. You should please focus on what exactly? Method actually. If you really understand that logic, cinema is over, sir. చెప్పండి అడగండి. అవుతుంది సార్, అవుతుంది. What our friend is asking is online team, listen carefully. Daniel, when you're calling drop any, it is working with all these columns actually. But I wanted to work with specific column. Maybe today only I'm going to cover upcoming scenario actually. Okay? Yeah, good. Specific column also we can apply actually. Come on, tell me. Online team, hold on. There is a from offline discussion actually. That's what I keep holding. Yeah, tell me, sir. Correct. Then when you are calling the drop any method, you can specify name of the columns actually. Name of that's what, sir. Imagine even here you can specify name of the column. It works with series also. It works with what exactly? Series also. As type is a method. Specific column you can specify actually. In project, I'm going to cover that. In project, good question. The question will be, Array Daniel, here we do have a all integer data. Think like, this one is a string data, but you are calling as type of integer, then we'll get an error. We'll get what exactly? Did you understand the question first of all? Then would you have a separate scenario? You can specify the name of the column here and you can convert into integer. Upcoming session actually. Okay. Can I continue? Team, I need a response. Yeah, good. Dropping missing value. converting into float to integer. Float to what exactly? Integer. There was one student previously, one student asked a question. The question will be, the question is like this. First of all, understand this. Nicely he asked the question. Are Daniel, what you're doing here actually? I'm dropping. What I'm dropping? What I'm dropping? Missing value or else none values. What values actually? None values. Then though no none values here actually. As of now, no none values. We already dropped actually. Then why floating is the value? Did you understand the question? Because previously the data type is what exactly? Float only. Still, even though you are dropping the missing value, the nature remains the same. We are getting still float data type only. We are still getting what data type? Then we need to be responsible actually. Make in the question. Nice. Nice enough. There are some questions, very beautiful questions actually. Okay. We are good to go. Drop any method, handling missing value. We done these are all. Online team, let me talk with you. Let me even drink water. Siddiq sir, then you need to call isNA.sum method actually. Then you will get as a result. We are good to go. Okay, let me hold the session for one minute actually. So how you enjoyed last week? You went to NATO? All you guys went to NATO actually? Maybe every week, every day, what is your role actually? By this time sleeping, I guess actually. Am I right or not, sir? Huh? I know. By looking at your faces, I can sense actually. In class also, if you want, you can sleep. But trust me, I never disturb actually. Getting or not, sir? Yeah. Please, back to the session. Even I done the same activity. No. 2 days I slept. Remaining 4 days. I have prepared one material. Material name is AI agents actually. Nowadays, one topic is booming in data science. That is a highly advanced topic actually. Agentic AI. The topic name is AI agents. Agents actually. The future is the total, that one only. To understand AI agents, our sessions are really mandatory actually. Can I tell one small good news actually? To understand AI agents, prerequisite is the Python. Prerequisite is what exactly? Wherever you go, Python is mandatory, man. Python is mandatory actually. Okay. I have prepared one material. Maybe I can deliver one session. Rishi sir is asking one question. Let me look into that. I have a question about the data frame. So in the real world, practically is using the data scientist to create a databases or more uses such as a convenient data frame in Python, performing methods on it actually. Okay, good question. Let me take that one actually. Let me explain the, let me explain. Let me explain. First of all, who didn't understand the question? In real time, which one using more? Which one is using more? Either data frame or database, or what exactly? Database. That is a question actually. Now, Rishi sir, I hope my question is, my understanding is valid, I guess. Am I right? If my understanding is wrong, my voice is not visible. My voice is not audible. I'm wondering, one of our friend Rajesh is telling, my voice is not clear. Nageswara sir, you are right actually. To learn Gen AI agent actually, data science really prerequisite. Nothing, those are all models actually. During data science only you will understand. I will cover, sir. Even that syllabus is not promised during the session. But I would like to teach advanced actually. Don't worry. All right. Fine then. Maybe Rajesh left the session, I guess. Okay. Where are we? Good. Please understand the question. In real time, which one is using more? Either what exactly mean data frame or what exactly database. Now let me tell you one small point. So simple database is a software. Database is what exactly? Software. Simple. By using database, we can store the data. Chapman sir, we can store the data. We can store the data in the form of table. In the form of what exactly mean? Table. I'm going to cover that database actually. Listen carefully. Database is a software. By using that, we can store the data. Even we can store the data is in the form of table form. What form actually? Here is the beauty actually. The point will be, now, being a data scientist, being what exactly? Data scientist, being a data scientist, how much database I need to learn? How much database I need to learn actually? I need to what exactly mean learn? I will tell you. Tim, let me tell you, sometimes client will give sales1.csv file. Then we need to load and we'll get a data frame. We'll get what exactly? Data frame. Client will give something like, sales1.json file. Then we'll get a data frame. Client will give sales1.excel file actually. What file mean? Excel file. Sales1.excel file actually. XLSX, I hope I know the extension, please. Right? And we'll get what exactly mean? Data frame. So if you guys are looking at me seriously, Excel SX actually. Okay, good. Now the next one. Sometimes client will tell data is available in the database. Okay. Data is available in what exactly? Database, and client will tell the table name actually. No doubt at all, in that scenario also will get a data frame. How much database you need to learn, connect with the DB. The moment when you hit the DB, it returns the data frame always actually. Conclusion of the story, data science team always they need data frame. What they need actually? That's what you need to focus on the data frame very clearly. I hope, Rishi sir, you got my question. I mean, you got my answer actually. Okay. Even database I'm going to cover. Which is seriously interesting. Rishi sir, no response from your side. Okay, cool. Then let's continue. Nah, yeah, you're right. Select query we are using actually. Select query you're using. Sorry, Rishi sir. Are you from USA? Are you from near to Los Angeles, sir? Okay, fine then. UK. Okay, fine then. Let's move on. Where are we? Maybe currently I'm helping you how to drop a missing value by drop any method. What method mean? Drop any. Once you are dropping, it's a good confirmation. You have to check. If it indicates like this, what it means, sir? No missing value. What exactly? No missing. If no missing value, yeah, move to the next step actually. Then later on, I have converted successfully into as type method. What method actually? As type is these are all methods, man. See, method number 1, method number 2, method number 3. Yeah, almost 3 methods we are using. What is this one? Function. Okay. This is really beautiful actually. When you're talking about did you remember in place actually? Very, very important. Saturday covered. Damn sure interview question. The point will be, right? Here, what exactly happened, please listen carefully. Tim, the moment whenever you are calling drop any method is giving separate object. Drop any method is giving what object? Hey Daniel, I don't want separate object. I don't want what exactly? Separate object. I wanted to perform changes on existing object. Then you need to bring one, keyword argument that is nothing but a in place equals to true. In place equals to what exactly? This is really beautiful. Here is the story. Generally, only drop any method, it is giving new object. It is giving what exactly? New object. Unnecessarily we are wasting the memory. I don't want separate new object, Daniel. I wanted to perform changes on original object only. Then you need to apply in place equals to true. You need to apply what exactly? In place equals to true. Chudandi ikkada make result 105. In a DF1 only you will get actually. Wow. Can I get a response from you? Are you with me? Good. Okay. Though it is important interview question, let me repeat one more time. It is okay. Sure, boss. Let me explain actually. Listen carefully. Maybe on Saturday, who are all missing actually. Listen carefully. One more time, I will explain. df2 equals to df1 dot drop NA. Let me tell you here. Let me draw the diagram. If I draw the diagram, you can understand beautiful actually. You can understand very easily. The moment whenever you are loading read underscore CSV, there is a data frame number one created actually. The data frame number one, I would like to visualize like this. Okay, good. This one is a DF1. This one is what exactly meant? DF1 actually. Then, we do have this one is a data plus missing value. Talk with me, sir. This one is what exactly? Data, data plus NAN values. Ante kada? Am I right or not, sir? Data plus NAN. Think like, it is having 100 GB data. Oh my God. On an average, the object size is 100 GB actually. The moment whenever you are calling dot drop NA method, what method actually, sir? Here is the point actually. Whenever you are calling drop NA method, what drop NA method will do, sir? Drop NA method will try to create a new separate object actually. Okay, actually, very good. This one is called as a DF2. This one is called as what exactly mean chaptara? DF2 actually. Okay, DF2. Now this DF2 having only data, no missing value. Ante kada? Chappan sir. Now think like, this one is, though missing value is dropped actually, 95 GB data. How much GB data actually? 95 GB data. Here is the point you need to be understand. So think like you are applying one operation. Because of this operation, it is creating a separate new object. Separate what object? New object. Did you remember? In Python, there is a one string topic, replace method I covered actually. What method, sir? Exactly same thing like here it is happening. Drop NA method is creating new object actually. Here is the point. Hey Daniel, I don't have a much memory to create a separate. I don't want to new object, Daniel. I wanted to apply changes on original object only. Can I apply actually? Yes, you can apply. If you wanted to perform changes on original object, then here you need to call drop NA of what exactly, sir? In place equals to true. The moment whenever you are calling like this actually, team, what happened, it never ever create new object actually. Meeku ippudu ardhamayinda? Can I get a response from you? All right. Who asked the question? Sir, did you understand? Boss, hope you understand. All right. Rishi sir, you are right. Exactly. You understand the point very clearly. Let's move on. Yeah, exactly. Drop NA method. Sir, why red color? Fundamentals actually. These are all fundamental. Don't miss the root and fundamentals actually. Okay. Move to the next one. One more technique. Previous technique is a drop NA. Now next technique is a fill NA. What is the next technique? Fill NA actually. Fill NA. This is quite interesting. Let me tell you. Daniel, the moment whenever you are calling drop NA, we are missing the data. We are losing the data. We are losing what exactly? What drop NA is doing? If imagine there is a one row. Already two values having the data. Because of just one value is missing, what happens, sir? It is dropping the existing data also. Then we are losing the data. We are losing what exactly mean? Data actually. Good. So fill in is a predefined method in a data frame. We can access this method by using data frame object. By using this method, we can fill missing values with the specific value. Fill any method. Fill any of 0 you can do. Fill any of some specific number you can do actually. Let's move on. Let me drink water. Here is the point. Previously, what method I called? Drop NA. Now, what method I'm calling? Indirectly, where are all NAN is available, where are previously previously one student what he done, instead of drop NA, he is applying drop NAN actually. That's what don't sleep during the session. Are you with me or not, sir? So, and he texted like, Daniel, so exactly applied what you applied actually. Sir, you didn't apply right way actually. This is not a drop none, drop NA. Tell me everyone. If you are calling like this, we'll get a attribute error actually. I hope that method is not there. What error? Attribute error. Please make a note. Good. Now you can just have to load the data. Now I'm working with what exactly, fill in here. Let us just have to fill. Here is the point actually. What is the point, Sorry. First of all, let us just have to load print of df1. Print of what exactly? df1 actually. I'm explaining like a scenario. These are all scenario based actually. Go back. Daniel, I don't want to drop this missing value, but I need the total data. I need what data? Total data. Then my owner is asking, I'm a boy in shop actually. What he is asking, I need a report. I need the total report actually. Then this value 9.0 only. Here instead of NAN, think like, if my shop owner is a technical person, he can understand what is NAN. If my shop owner is a non-technical person, he will scold actually. What is the meaning of NAN actually? Instead of none, we need to fill up with some value. We need to fill up with what exactly? Some value. What value I need to fill, sir? Zero is the best in this case actually. Zero is what exactly? Best in this case. Good, hold on. Now you can just have to come here. df2 equals to df1 dot, what exactly meant? df1 dot NA. NA or NAN? NA please, 0. Now no missing value. How to check? How to confirm? ఇప్పుడు మిస్సింగ్ వాల్యూస్ ఏం లేవు యాక్చువల్గా. హౌ టు కన్ఫర్మ్? వెరీ గుడ్. ఈజ్ ఎనీ డౌట్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ? సమ్ యాక్చువల్. ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్ లెట్ మీ కవర్ యాక్చువల్. ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్గా. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్? You should know when to use zero, when you should not use zero actually. You should know very clearly. You should know. Unfortunately, instead of zero, think like here I have given 1. Here I have given what exactly? Here is the problem actually. What is the problem? Indirectly you are giving the report. In that report it is specifying 9 apples. Then get ready, count the money. You have to give the money actually. Sir, is orange sold out actually? But you are filling with what exactly? 1. Then get ready. From your pocket you have to give the money actually. Am I right or not, sir? Please understand. In this scenario, the best number is a 0 number only. What number? 0 number only. Are you getting? Good. 0 actually. Next point. Now think like, these are all A's, collecting A's data actually. Don't worry, I will not ask your A's. Now student number 1, something like a 21. Student number 2, 19. Student number 3, he absent actually, though he absent NAN. Student number 4, and he came and his age will be kind of some 30 actually. That is okay. Now let me tell you, student number 3. Now, can I fill the age with a 0 actually? No. Please understand. When to fill the value with the 0? Based on domain, we need to fill, man. Talk with me. Based on? Why here 0 is invalid? Previously 0 is valid, but why here invalid actually? Because age never be 0. Talk with me. Age? Please make a note actually. Please make a note. Marks can be 0. What can be 0? Marks can be 0. Good. All right. Hope you understand. More to the discussion. Yeah. Instead of 0, can I give some hard-coded number actually? Kindly please look at my screen. These are all name and age, salary. Okay, we are good to go. Now Daniel, some age is missing. What is missing? Age is missing. Here also age is missing. Here also age is missing. I should not make it like a 0 actually. You can hard code a value. You can hard code what exactly mean? Value actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Fill of 22 actual. Instead of hard coding, what you can do, whoever all existing students are available, you can take all that numbers and you can find out mean value. What value? You can fill with that mean value. Am I right or not, sir? That example also I'm going to cover. Online team, hope you are following. Jyoti. Are Daniel? Can't we provide word like in place of 9? Can't we give 9 actually? Boss, we can give, but the point will be, boss, we can, but when you're talking about especially ML, machine learning actually, machine learning, uh, it's kind of numerical analysis. It's kind of what exactly? It's kind of numerical analysis. If you're giving text data, again we need to, replace 9 with the 9 actually. We can still give. But if you are talking about more text related data, during NLP, I can talk more. NLP, natural language processing, would have a separate discussion. We are good to go. Okay. Where are we? Let us just try to move on. This one is the data. I hope you already know these are all things. Can I close what all we are not using? Here we go. Very good. Where are all missing value would you have? We are replacing with what value mean? 22. Fill none value with mean value. Instead of hard coding, Daniel, can I apply small operation? Based on that operation, I can just try to fill this value. Yeah, you can do that actually. You can do that. So in this scenario, let me just try to take this one. This example, let me explain with very carefully. Please understand this one. Let me take the data. With the data, let me create a data frame. Data frame is ready. Now, first of all, do one thing. Let me just try to create a data frame. I already data frame created actually. Let us just try to print the df1. Instead of hard coding is not recommended. You are fixing the value. Instead of that, let us just try to take all the values, find mean value. What value? Mean value, and try to fill that missing value with mean value actually. First of all, what we need to do now, let us just try to find mean value. To find the mean value, any idea? This one is any idea what is this? Series. In a series, there is a method. Method name is a mean. Initial days, I have covered these are all points actually. Yeah, good. Now here we'll get some result, right? With that result, I wanted to fill actually. Come on, you can do that. Specific column I wanted to fill. Yeah, specific column actually. Left hand side, we have to take the same name of the column. Right hand side, same name of the column with fill and a. Let me explain the syntax. The syntax you can easy to understand later. Exactly on which topic, hold on. Left hand side, why we are providing that. That you can understand later. Exactly, there is a topic. The topic name is a adding and dropping ఏ టాపిక్ సార్ ఇక్కడ 19th topic you will understand actually this syntax. But as of now, let me tell you, I wanted to handle A's column. Left hand side you have to take the same name of the column. Right hand side also you have to take the same name of the column. Dot fill in a method. What method? Dot fill in a. As of now, you can just try to by heart the syntax. Nothing is wrong. Later you will understand why we are doing this actually. Yeah, we are good to go. Nice. We can apply, sir. We can apply actually. Okay, one more method. Method name is the replace method. What method? Replace method. There are three methods, man, to handle missing value. First one is a drop an A. Next one, fill an A. Next one, replace. One more time. Drop an A, fill an A, replace method actually. Replace method. చూడండి. Get the data. Create a data frame. Data frame is created successfully. All right, let us take a age actually. Let us take a age. Generally, you should not fill with the 0, but anyway, I'm filling the value to what exactly 0. What is the method I'm calling here actually? Replace. The beauty with the replace method, not only missing, replace method takes two parameters. How many parameters? Two parameters. First one, you need to tell what I wanted to replace actually. I wanted to replace none value with what exactly? 0. Instead of missing value, here you can provide some value. What is the value? 16. Where are all 16 is available, it will replace with what exactly? 0. That one also possible. That extra functionality it will do actually. Man, by practice. Back to the session. By practice, you can remember these are all things actually. See, we are filling with the 0. Let not give. Now try to understand. Yeah, good. We are good to go. Very good. Take this example. You can move on actually. Replace method. What method, sir? Replace method. We are good to go. చెప్పండి. Replace method. In place parameter. ఒకసారి syntax చూడాలండి. Now fill in a. I'm sure it might have actually. We can check documentation. Okay, we can check documentation. All right, back to the session. Yeah, we done this one, but let me give a small recap actually. Very, very important topic. Very, very important topic. Small recap. A simple man. First, we got a data. From the data, we have created a data frame. From the data, we have created what exactly? Data frame. By using the data frame, we are checking missing value. We are checking what exactly? Missing value. Then I wanted to check is na dot. What exactly mean? Dot is na of dot sum method actually. Am I right or not, sir? That's what we done. Anyway, we came across there are missing value. It's a item I need to handle actually. How to handle, df dot drop na. These are all methods. Next one, 76th scenario. df dot drop na of చెప్తారా ఎవరన్నా? In place equals to. These are all scenarios I have covered actually. Next one, scenario number 7 actually. df dot fill na. What method, sir? Fill na. Here you can just have to provide some value. Here I forget one point actually. What is that point? df dot as type of what exactly, sir? Integer. Am I right? Or that result we applied this technique actually. The next one will be fill na method. The next one is what exactly mean? df dot fill na of, and here some mean value. What value? Mean value. You can just try to take a specific column here actually. I mean, that's what even I have covered. 10th scenario, df dot replace method. What method actually? Replace method with some p1 comma p2. Exactly, these are all scenarios I have covered. That's it. Regarding drop NA. I'm sorry, regarding handling missing value. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Tell me, sir. Ah, mm. It should be, sir. It should be. Why? Because floating data type it can dominate actually. Hmm? Hmm. Supriya Rao, exactly. Sir, when we are using fill with main fill NA and method, can we apply it on single column only? Correct, actually. Nageswara, sir, you're right. And you're right. And especially this, I'm going to explain one project. During that project, you will get an idea actually. I mean, with project, I can talk more. Yeah, we are good to go. Let me hold the session. Let me hold the session for 2 minutes. 2 minutes actually. I will explain about ChatGPT. I will explain about what exactly ChatGPT. Okay, is it okay for you? Good. First of all, do you know ChatGPT? You should aware by this time. Simple, ChatGPT is a AI model. ChatGPT is what exactly? AI model. It can talk any technical discussion. You can ask anything, it will respond actually. Especially it is called as a text-based model. What model? You're asking the question in a text kind of text format actually, and it is giving the result. Sir, you guys are really lucky. You are living in the era of ChatGPT. But when I was learning technology, we don't have a ChatGPT. By using ChatGPT, what we can do, we can ask more questions actually, more questions plus and what exactly answers also. Are you with me or not, sir? Let me show you. Did I explain this point previously? Did I explain yes or no? Did I explain? Okay, like we can ask more examples like that. All right, let me explain one more time. Open ChatGPT. Go to the Python. I hope there is a one keyword. Keyword name is the if keyword. What keyword? If keyword. If keyword I already covered from our session. In our material also I have covered actually. But I am looking for almost some 20 examples on if keyword. Or else 50 examples on if keyword actually. Yeah, you can ask to ChatGPT. Right? What you can ask, Python. If keyword. 20 examples. Wow. Seriously, very good actually. Come on, let me just try to maximize. Chudani. The moment when you're asking, sir, it start giving all examples actually. Very good. See, every code is executable code actually. Nice, man. I mean to say, sky is the limit for practice actually. Once you understand the topic, you need to, jump into the chat GPT and you can ask different scenarios example actually. Good. Now, these are all plain examples. Let me ask domain based examples. What example? Domain based. I'm sure, these are all discussion actually. Am I right or not, sir? Chudandi. Python, if keyword, 20 examples based on e-commerce domain. What domain actually? This is important. In e-commerce domain, how they are using if keyword, you can understand actually. Seriously, very good, man. What is a cart actually? Cart. When you are not selecting any items, it is empty, right? Back end, there is a validation check actually. Almost go back. Let me explain. There are some few examples. Second one. If the cart contains any item, very good, man. Laptop, very good, man. Imagine you have added one item in your cart actually. Then every time backend they are validating, do you have any items actually? Yes. Then they will trigger the notification. They will send the notification you are having so and so item. Please proceed to buy. If you need 1 rupee, 2 rupee discount, we can give actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Next one. Check if the user is logged in or not actually. Very good, man. You can cross validate like this. Check if your discount code is valid or not. Amazing examples, man. These are all domain-based examples. What example? Once you understand our fundamental topics actually, then you can use ChatGPT to get more and more examples actually. What is the number I asked చెప్పండి sir? Any examples అడిగాను నేను? 20 కదా? Huh? Let us ask 50. Let us ask how many? Sir, it will give, trust me, use ChatGPT. This is really the best thing actually. Let me ask what exactly 50 examples actually. I asked 500, it will give, but according to the steps wise, it will give actually, right? Let me just try to run this one. Are you ready? Can I hit enter button? Come on, sir, look at my screen. It will give, it will start give actually. But in between, it will stop. In sir, output. Come again? Yeah, exactly. It will stop, but it will give. You can still continue generating, or else you can, it may give some 20 to 50 examples. We'll see. Sir, not only Python, machine learning example, deep learning example, beginner level, intermediate level, advanced level, you can ask actually. Why I'm telling this one, once you understand the topic, use ChatGPT to get more and more examples. Man, on an average, just a matter of within 2 minutes. How long time? Within 2 minutes, it is generated nice scenarios actually. That's what I'm telling always. You guys are really lucky. You guys are learning the technology in the era of ChatGPT actually. When I was learning technology in the year of 2011, in the year of 2011, on an average, faculty used to give if example keywords, if keyword, and in Java, 3 to 4 examples he will give. How many examples? 3 to 4. If you want more examples, you need to go to the lab actually. And there is a mentor, and Anna, I have already understand the topic. Can you give me some examples? Means he will give actually. But you no need to ask anyone, man. You can ask our grandfather. Who is our grandfather? Talk with me. Technical grandfather actually. Am I right or not, sir? Please, today onwards, slowly by slowly, per day, 5 to 10 minutes, learn how to use ChatGPT. I don't know how you are using ChatGPT till now. You can use technically also. This is the open I would do today. Can I get a response from you, please? Online team, did you understand or not, sir? Rishi, you are right, sir. ChatGPT backend is NLP. That I'm going to cover. Agent is a one topic in AI actually. I can talk, sir. In a reinforcement learning, that is a separate topic actually. Agent, environment, points, all these topics it will come actually. Somebody is telling you already know this topic actually. Then I'm sorry, sir. This topic is not for you actually. Who don't know, for them I have explained. All right, let's move on. We already done this. We can ask more examples. We are good to go. Good. Did you understand handling missing value? Important topic, sir. Minimum 3 interview questions you will get actually from the topic. We done this. This one is running topic now. Running topic. After that, filtering actual. Let's continue. Somebody is asking how many sessions left actually. Sir, here the number should be 120 plus actually. Here, what is the current number actually? 47, right? If you're able to see almost 120, the running nodes, I can say almost 95% syllabus is over actually. Okay. No. till now 95% syllabus is not yet over. I'm talking about the number actually. But if you're asking percentage, somebody is asking, that's what I'm responding like this. On an average, I can say 35% is over, sir. Please make a note. Yeah. But one small point, I never hurry to close the syllabus. I hope you, either you sense that one from my side or not. I'm not sure actually. I never hurry. I never go in a hurry. Hope my flow helping you actually. Am I right? Please don't scold me if you won't like the flow. It's okay. If you scold also, that is fine, sir. Let's take this. Not this one. Selection. LOC, LOC. Let's start this one tomorrow. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Every day I will tell like this only. In pandas, one of the biggest topic actually. One of the biggest topic, this LOC, more than 30 pages content. One of the biggest topic, it takes on an average 2 day session. 2 day session, but very, very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. All right. We are done for today's session. Please be regular. Don't miss any session. Don't miss any session. I request you. I uploaded the data set and running notes also. Our material and running notes is well organized, man. Please follow our material very carefully. That's it, I guess. Right? We're done for today's session. Thank you. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Online team, thank you. Thank you for attending today's session.